Okay, Heber.
Hey guys, we're gonna clean our car. Ooh,
Okay, go slowly.
no, careful.
Oh, somebody's cleaning also.
Check out our.
Come here, come here. This side.
Check out our first Facebook video. That,
Okay, Heber, our car is here now.
yeah. And check out our first
Oh.
Facebook video. Let's check
Okay,
out.
go. Oh, oh. Woo.
Oh.
Okay, here, come here.
Stand here.
Here, you stay here. Come here, Heber. Here.
Check out our first Facebook video. That was yesterday. Today's our second video of Facebook. Ooh, my finger is numb. Woo, blank on my fingers.
Go.
Go.
Stop.
Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Making a pathway.
5.
Okay.
Okay.
Clearing time.
Look at the camera. Woo!
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. 1. Oops, that was a mistake.
Yeah. It is?
Yeah.
Okay, Heber. We will remove now this cover snow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hold the camera. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
15. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why that? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And what will you say? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58,
Okay.
50. Ooh, yes.
Okay. So, this is good. See? Oh. Okay. We finish now.
Yeah.
Okay. So done our cleaning of snow in our car. Okay?
Okay.
So this driveway is very effective. We don't need to clean our windshield.
Okay.
Okay. See ya.
See ya. Please like and subscribe.